Too many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing.
All right. So you want to become a better player. You want to become a better player really quickly and you're new? All right. I'm going to show you a couple maps to become really good really fast. And it's going to make you a better player mechanically. It's going to seem simple, short, and sweet. There's no tricks to getting to become the best player in the world. It's as simple as practicing daily, simple mechanics and things like that so that you can improve and go off. So here are some simple maps that include building, editing, and aiming. Practice on these 3 maps, 30 minutes each, and in a couple of weeks, you're going to be cracked. All right, give me a couple moments. I'm going to load everything up for you guys. All right, guys, so the first map we have is the Crank Simulator map. The map code is on the top of the screen again, as well as in the description. What you're going to do here is just crank. You're going to build some walls and just practice your 90s. And again, if you don't know how to do anything, just Google it, YouTube it, but you're going to want to crank your 90s here, practice it. There's good timer on this map, and also it resets once you get to the top and spawns you over there. Another cool tip, you can shoot to change the color. You can change the speed as well. So you can make half speed, no jump fatigue, and you come here, and you're just going to practice cranking for about 30 minutes every time you hop on. So you can just practice and become better. I used to be able to barely key in this stuff. Now I can key it in without even thinking about it. So definitely make sure you guys do that. Keep it simple. Cranking, 90s, high ground retakes, all those things. Search it up. Check out. There's plenty of channels that explain that, and hopefully I'll have some videos like that in the future as well. Let's move on to the next map. All right, guys, so we're to our next practice map. This is Raiders editing practice map, I believe. And the link is, of course, going to be on the top, or the code. I'm going to show you some good modules and also why I like this map. So I like this map because it has a description. You shoot the top, and there's a little description that displays. So shoot the numbers for explanation. You shoot the numbers, and I believe you get an explanation on screen as you're walking through. But I'm going to show you some of my favorite modules real quick. Come here, practice these every day, and it's going to make you a better player mechanically, no doubt. So let's walk through some of the modules. So you're going to do this. You place a wall, edit the wall, shoot. So close up, edit, shoot. Really simple. I'm going to do the rest of these, and I'll meet you back in the middle, guys. All right, guys, so we are back in the middle of the module. Also, if you want to reset at any time, shoot the green cube and you will reset. Module tools 2 is the same thing, but except for shooting the bot on your right side, you're going to be shooting the bot on your left side. So do module 2 right afterwards. The next best module is module 9. We're going to use it. It's the Mongol Classic. The simple as that. Wall, stair, edit stair. And you can do the same thing again. You could use a cone. He's frozen for the first time, but after you kill him once, it's going to reset. And he'll actually be playing this time. But yeah, do this as many times as you need to. You feel free to repeat it. And then I'm going to hop into the next module real quick. Alright, guys. There are tons of awesome modules here. So feel free to use any of them. They'll all teach you things, and they'll all have explanations. Just wanted to give you a little taste of what this map is all about, and hopefully give you some time. So there's also a cool section over here, guys, that I wanted to show you. The 1v1 aim dueling map, which we're going to do next. But there's also a piece control edit course as well. Raider has tons of awesome maps. I can't show them all in this video. I'm just showing ones that I think are best for beginners. So our next map right here, 1v1 aim dueling. The code will still be in the description at the top, but you can actually go through matchmaking through this map. So let's go to this map, and I'll be right back with you guys. Alright, guys, so we got the next map loaded up. This is the 1v1 aim training, and it's exactly what it says. It's going to help you aim train. You could pick any one of these weapons. There's so much noise. You could pick any one of these weapons, tack, whatever you want to practice with. Select the amount of health you and your teammate want, and then you can go through any one of these modules. So typically someone else is spawned in here with you. There we go. We got somebody right here. So someone just came into matchmaking. I'm going to show him what guns I have. He's going to go grab them. This is perfect timing. And he's going to go through the 2000 health module. Yeah, 2000 health. Come on, buddy. I got this and this. All right. And then we're going to pick a fighting module. And then it's as simple as just practicing aiming. I'm just going to sit here and shoot your opponent. It's as simple as this. It's as simple as that. So basically, you're going to be spawned into different little rooms with different obstacles, right-hand peaks, high ground, low ground, and based off that, you're going to be able to play. So some favorite ones of mine: wall peaks, below ramp, 1v1 and the high ground, low ground setting as well. Definitely try these all out. This is going to make you better player mechanically with your aim, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Very short, simple, and sweet. Really getting as good at the game is as simple as just practicing every day. There's no secrets. There's no nothing. Just practice your mechanics daily using these maps, and I guarantee you guys will become better players as well. All right. Have a wonderful rest of your day, guys. Alright, if you guys made it this far in the video, you're actually serious about improving at Fortnite. Make sure to stop by my stream, give me a follow. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me, and also keep in tune with my progress as a new player to the game as well. I hope to see you guys on my stream. See you soon.